What I'm going to do now is remove the fuel strainer and also remove the carburetor. I need to take that off and clean it out, rebuild it if necessary, and reinstall it, be going further, because of course this has sat for 20 years. Lord knows what's inside the float bowl, but that's what I'm going to do right now. You may hear in the background some backup sirens going off from some of the construction site going on nearby, so just beware of that. Yeah, that's going to take some work to get that off. I'll go over to and start working on this instead. There's quite the sediment in there. Some rust and debris coming out of that. Quite a bit. It's certainly doing its job. Okay, that will have to be flushed out. Now I'll remove the carburetor. Or at least attempt to. Alright, here it is. Here, I'll zoom out a little bit. Looks like it's got the adapter on here for the air cleaner option accessory that was added on much later. Alright, well, we're going to take this home and rebuild it in the shop, get it all cleaned up, make sure it's functioning properly.